All right, guys, let's talk hemming, specifically closed hemming. Today what we're going to do is we're going to add 4 closed hems to this box. Just folding this box up on all 4 sides, pretty strong. Once you start hemming a box, it gets significantly stronger. It compounds and gets very, very strong. People hem for many different reasons. Most cases it's for safety and for strength. It does round the edge, gives a nice soft edge where you don't have that sharp laser edge. This is 16 gauge steel, very flimsy in its natural state, very flexible. We're going to fix that right now. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to do a 30-degree pre-bend. So we're going to get a nice deep bend in there. Going to let this I-axis shift so our lower die rail will shift back and forth for our hemming tooling, so that we can just use one setup and go back and forth between normal press brake movements as well as the hemming itself. I'm going to get this next one in. When you're doing hemming, you want to move nice and slow. Obviously, you're bringing the material all the way up to the face of the machine. You don't want to slap the material right into the face, as well as you want to try to minimize as much back bending as possible as you're supporting the workpiece. If it's moving too fast, you'll get some inaccurate bends. Let's start to close this box up here. We got ACB laser down there working, checking our angles. I'll flip this around. Another pre-bend here, all the way up to the machine. Watch that I-axis shift there. We're going to bring our tooling down, and then we're going to close down on this hem all the way up to itself right there. And that's what you're looking for. That's what adds the strength. Fold this portion up. And then we're going to finish off this box. So a little flimsy there, but watch as we add these last 2 bends in. It's going to change significantly. All the way up. I-axis shift, and then we are going to close this down. Nice and tight. Start closing this box. Again, a great feature to add to some of your parts, thinner sheet metals. It is a little bit more labor intensive, a little bit more expensive, but it does add some superior features to your parts. And that is a nice closed hem box right there. Nice and strong. This thing is extremely rigid now. Pretty cool stuff. Check it out.